So when I get a chance to set a specific day to go out for a drive, I often end up waking up way too early. I'll throw the top back almost immediately and get going. Hi, I'm Mike, and this is my 2021 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and some of you might know me as Along Came Polymetal on Instagram. Professionally, I am actually a photographer. I work a lot in the advertising space as well as fine art. Along with my Instagram being about my Miata, of course, it's also a love letter to San Francisco. I've lived here for a very long time and it's such a huge part of who I am. There's so many beautiful locations that I keep re-finding because of the Miata. The first time I got to drive a Miata was when my best friend picked me up here in the city. We went across the Golden Gate Bridge, out onto some of the amazing back roads we have here. He let me drive it as if it were my own. I got to find out what it was like to own a sports car, what it feels like to drive with the top open. It all just stuck with me. Every time I thought about a new car, I kept coming back to the Miata. After it was clear how much I loved the Miata, I knew that there had to just be tons of other people out there who felt the same way. So the Bay Area Miata Association, every month will go out on a drive. That drive can sometimes range anywhere from 30 to 45 cars, and we run through some of the beautiful back roads that we have here in the Bay Area. We're literally out there just for a nice fun cruise, out in the sun or in the fog. Being a part of the Bay Area Miata Association has been a lot like being a part of a family.
It's fun to just get to have an excuse to see each other all the time.
It's a good variety of people's different ideas on how they want to do their Miata. I've seen people just have them to cruise around coastal roads with the top down, all the way up to track rats that are just like stripped out as light as possible.
Supercharged.
Yeah, and everything in between.
The car is simply the purest embodiment of miles per mile.
Their cars are genuinely geared towards a driver's experience. Being able to shift, use all three pedals. The steering is incredibly responsive. The size of the car makes it easy to just throw it around a corner and it kind of just knows exactly what you want to do every time. It's just as exciting to drive my Miata as the very first day that I got it.